People, today we're going to be trying out this recipe. Yeah, some grilled spiced chicken skewers. Take it all in right there. Look at that. 350 degrees. Copy that. That easy. Set it and forget it. It's a flyover of said chicken. We have it skewered and spiced according to the recipe. Yeah. Smells great. And the output for you, people? Again, this is during the startup, though. We are zeroing right in on that 350. I feel like it's going to be time to be cooking in just a minute. Awesome, awesome setup. Love it. So easy to read. Nice and clear. All right, people, once we've kind of calmed down and gotten up to temperature, you can see our output has shot way down. So we're doing about 25, 28 watts, it seems like. I mean, it says 7 right now. Just wants to make me a louder. There it goes. 28, you saw it. All right, people, let's talk about this chicken. So first of all, mad props to ASMOKE on the recipe. The recipe for the chicken turned out amazing. Really, really amazing. And actually, several of their recipes in their recipe booklet there looked really awesome, in manual rather. But this chicken, out of sight, it was so good. And we opened up like the little burner there on the grill to get that extra char on it, which made it super, super delicious. But yeah, with that with the hummus, and then, you know, I had that little tzatziki sauce and some naan bread mixed in with some rice. Perfect.
Welcome to another day of cooking on the ASMOKE. So today we're trying something a little bit different. We are baking. Not only are we baking, but we're baking some cornbread. So this cornbread's been in here at 350. Ooh, look at that. It's looking pretty nice. Looks like it needs just a little bit longer. We just removed our cornbread. It's looking good. I'll show you guys when we go back inside. But now we're adding some lemon pepper pork chops to the grill. Gonna make some tasty, tasty dinner. Our pork chops have only been on here for about 5 minutes. So far, so good. Our light's waning yet again. So I will show you the finished product inside.
And here we have the pork chops off the grill. Look at this, people. So the pork chops, they got smoke ring on them, man. Smoke ring, smoke ring on those pork chops. Smoke ring. Yeah. And the cornbread, super light, fluffy, delicious.
Hey people, today we're gonna be grilling some pizzas on the ASMOKE. So let's get this started up, preheated, and ready to grill some pizzas. We've already loaded in our pellets, and now it's time to turn up the temp. We're gonna turn it up to 400.
All right, it's pizza time. So that's what we're going with for pizza number 1. It's telling us to do it on 425. So I actually did 450 to adjust since we're outside and it's cold. Let's throw some pizza on there. Kind of like perfectly enough room for that. Look at that. Pizza. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, people. Look at that. Let's check out the bottom on this thing here. That's a done pizza, folks. Done pizza. So it took about 11 minutes, just like it said on the packaging. Pretty right on. All right, pizza number 2 is telling us it's going to be 13 minutes. Probably because we have all those toppings. Let's throw this in. No some, but that's all right. It's all right. Got my pizza peel. We're gonna check out the status together. So we are like 2 minutes early. So set it at 4:50 and we're rocking 4:32, which isn't too bad because it's chilly as all get out here. So let's pop the top and check it out together, shall we? And the reveal. Okay. All right, we got some promise on here. I think we actually might need that 2 more minutes. We're just about there. Look at those edges. Looking nice. 2 minutes later, it's time to get our pizza. Let's check the bottom here. Oh yeah, we're done. Looking nice. Honest deal, everybody agreed these pizzas were some of the best frozen pizzas we'd had because it had like this little hint of a wood flavor and taste to it. It was spectacular. This is definitely a would recommend, this ASMOKE. Make sure to check out the links down below to pick up your own. People, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.